The next document is a sinus lift consent form. Patient information. Firstly, the patient's full name and date of birth, including the patient's address and contact telephone number and email address. The dentist's full name, the practice name, the license number, and finally the practice address and contact details, telephone number and email. I, the undersigned patient, hereby provide my informed consent for the dental sinus lift procedure to be performed by doctor, and provide your name and the practice details. I understand that the dental sinus lift is a surgical procedure designed to augment the bone in the upper jaw to facilitate the placement of dental implants. I have been informed of the following aspects of the procedure. 1. The nature of the procedure. The dental sinus lift involves elevating the sinus membrane to create additional spaces for bone grafting. This procedure is intended to provide a stable foundation for dental implants. 2. Benefits. I understand that the benefits of the dental sinus lift may include improved dental function, aesthetic restoration, and overall oral health. 3. Risks. I acknowledge that the dental sinus lift procedure, like any surgical procedure, carries certain risks and potential complications, including but not limited to infection, swelling, bruising and discomfort, reactive sinusitis, bleeding, sinus issues or complications, graft material complications, failure to achieve the desired results, damage to the adjacent structures, nerve damage, allergic reactions, and other unforeseen complications. 4. Alternatives to treatment. I understand that there may be alternative treatment options available and have discussed them with my dentist. I have chosen to proceed with the dental sinus lift after considering these alternatives. Number 5. Anesthesia. I understand that the procedure may involve local anesthesia or other forms of sedation as determined by my dentist to ensure my comfort and safety during the surgery. Number 6. Follow-up care. I am aware that successful recovery may require strict adherence to post-operative instructions provided by my dentist. I will attend all follow-up appointments as recommended. 7. Costs. I have been provided with information about the estimated costs of the dental sinus lift procedure and any associated fees. I understand my financial responsibilities and have had the opportunity to discuss payment arrangements with my dentist. 8. Questions. I have had the opportunity to ask questions and my questions have been fully answered to my satisfaction. Heading: Patient's consent. I, the undersigned patient, have read and understand the information provided above. I acknowledge that the potential benefits, risks and alternatives of dental sinus lift procedures have been explained to me. I hereby voluntarily consent to the dental sinus lift procedure. And then the patient's signature, the date and time, and then a witness, same thing, the signature, the date and time, and finally the dentist statement. I, doctor, and you put your name, have explained the dental sinus lift procedure to the patient, answered any questions and believe the patient fully understands the nature of the procedures, including the benefits and risks. The dentist signature and time. This document is a record of our discussion and the patient's informed consent for the dentist sinus lift procedure. Please ensure that the consent forms are tailored to your specific practice, local legal requirements, and patient needs. It is important to thoroughly discuss the procedure with the patient and address any concerns before obtaining their informed consent. Consult with a legal professional for further guidance in creating a legally sound consent form.